Are you ready to have your mind blown? Here are the top 5 shocking truths about dark matter that will make you question everything you know about the universe. Trust me, you won't believe what we have in store for you. So buckle up and get ready for an intergalactic journey through the unknown. Number 5. The unseen physics. Dark matter is all around us, but it's invisible. It doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation. This means that we can't see it directly, which makes studying it incredibly difficult. However, we do know that it exists because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. By observing how galaxies rotate and how light bends around them, we can infer the presence of dark matter even though we can't see it directly. Isn't that mind-blowing? Just think about it. There is this stuff all around us that we can't detect with our instruments, or even see with our eyes. It's like trying to understand a language you can't hear. How do we know it's there? We have to look at the effects it has on things we can detect. In this case, the rotation of galaxies and the bending of light. Number 4. A cosmic dance. Dark matter and dark energy are not the same thing, but they make up 95% of the universe. Dark matter is the invisible substance that makes up 27% of the universe. It's what holds galaxies together and makes them rotate faster. Dark energy is the force that's causing the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. While we don't know exactly what dark energy is, we do know that it's not the same as dark matter. They are two distinct phenomena that make up a whopping 95% of the universe. That's a pretty big chunk of the pie, and yet we still know so little about it. It's like we're living in an iceberg. What we see with our eyes is just the tip. There's so much more beneath the surface that we can't detect. But that doesn't mean we can't try. Scientists are constantly working to learn more about dark matter and dark energy and their effects on the universe. It's one of the biggest mysteries of modern physics. 3. A universe of shadows. The more massive a galaxy is, the more dark matter it has. Dark matter is thought to be 5 times more abundant than regular matter in the universe. But why does it only show up in places like galaxies, where there is a lot of regular matter? Why isn't it spread evenly throughout space? Well, scientists think that it has to do with the way dark matter interacts with normal matter. It's like a cosmic dance. The more normal matter there is, the more dark matter gets drawn into the mix. That is why galaxies with a lot of stars and planets tend to have a lot of dark matter around them. It is also why scientists think that most of the dark matter in the universe is actually in the very large galaxies. But even with all this evidence, we still don't know exactly what dark matter is or where it comes from. It's one of the biggest mysteries of the cosmos. 2. A fifth of the pie. Dark matter makes up about 80% of the matter in the universe, but only 27% of the entire universe. That's because most of the universe is empty space. If we could take a typical galaxy and zoom out far enough, we would see that it's surrounded by a huge bubble of mostly empty space. That's the region where dark matter is most concentrated. It's like a shadow around the galaxy. But why is the dark matter in this shape? Well, scientists think it has to do with the way dark matter interacts with itself and with normal matter. It's like a cosmic game of chicken. The dark matter is constantly pushing against itself and against the normal matter in the galaxy. And that creates a kind of equilibrium that forms this shadowy region round the galaxy. But just like everything else about dark matter, we're still not 100% sure. No. 1. Gravity's shadow. One of the most exciting things about dark matter is that it may help us understand gravity. You heard that right. Dark matter could revolutionize our understanding of one of the fundamental forces of nature. But how? Well, it all has to do with the way dark matter interacts with normal matter. Scientists think that dark matter could help explain why galaxies rotate the way they do, and why there are so many more galaxies in the universe than we expected. But it could also help us understand the behavior of gravity on the largest scales. That's because dark matter is thought to interact with gravity in a different way than normal matter. It's like a ghost that can walk through walls. If this is true, then it could mean that gravity doesn't always work the way we think it does. And that could have all sorts of implications for our understanding of the universe.